Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you the simple wiring to hook up a winch for your truck. This happens to be a Wrangler JK, but it's pretty much, this is an aftermarket winch. It's pretty much the same hookups, just in case you're looking to buy one, you didn't, and you want to know how to hook them up. I just hooked up this one. It's a 13,000 pound winch. They come color coded, so really hard to hook up, to mess up. Like for instance, the red here is going to have a red terminal, yellow is going to have a yellow terminal, black's going to have a black terminal, and they pretty much hook up the same way. You hook up the electrical box to those three, then you're going to have a smaller black wire, all right, that goes from here to the negative ground terminal over here, and then the negative ground terminal, the thick wire, that's going to go to the negative of the battery, and this long positive is also going to go to the positive terminal of the battery. So basically, the yellow, the black, okay, the short yellow, short black, and short red go to the corresponding terminals on the winch. Can't mess that up. And you have your little, the secondary wire here, the little black wire. It goes from there, like I said, to the bottom ground. And then you got your other ground. So basically, the ones that go to the battery is the long black and the long red. And I basically snaked through. And what I did is make sure it doesn't hit anything, doesn't rub anywhere. Let me see if I can turn this on. Make sure it doesn't rub anywhere. They don't rub nowhere on all of them. I mean, if you don't like the way that looks, you can try to probably do it neater. Or it all depends on the type of bumper you have. And of course, you have to have a bumper that can accept the winch. Sometimes the winch is lower in the bumper and you can run all the wires underneath. But I don't mind. I actually like that rugged, hardcore look. So, and anyway, so once you hook up the winch, those wires over there, then you have the red positive and the black negative. I snaked them in here, and basically they go right to the terminal, nice and tight. But I'm gonna upgrade these terminals. They're kind of cheesy, they're really thin. I'm gonna get a nice thick one that you can put multiple things to, but for right now it's okay. And the same thing with the negative. I had the negative come around here and right here, nice and tight. Make sure you disconnect the battery before you do all of that work. But it's really simple to hook them up. I mean, and the winch itself is just 4 bolts underneath, and that secures the winch. And you're gonna have the plate over here. I forgot what they call this, horse or whatever it's called. It's not the one with the roller, because this winch has a synthetic rope. I like the synthetic rope because it's lighter to begin with, and you don't have to have the rollers, that 4 roller thing coming out over there. So it's a little bit more smoother. And 13 pound, I mean, this Jeep is not even half that, so I don't have to worry about it. It's a pretty strong winch. All right, so that's basically how you hook that up. Yeah, got any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. All right, guys, Motorcar Nut 2020. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and take care.